just stopping you there, Arunima. We're getting these visuals there, live visuals. Manish Sisodia and Arvind Kejriwal. In fact, they're all of them hugging each other, crying there. These are the family members, I guess, of Arvind Kejriwal and Manish Sisodia there. Still, we can see in the visuals Arvind Kejriwal is crying rather there. He, in fact, broke down while speaking to the media there. In fact, Sunita Kejriwal, the children are also there, and a very happy moment for the Kejriwal family and, of course, Manish Sisodia. Let me also go back to Arunima here. Arunima, these visuals there, these visuals are speaking that how motivating and positive these signs are for Aam Aadmi Party.
You know, it's a big moment because family-wise also, if you recall, when Arvind Kejriwal was taken into custody, Sunita Kejriwal herself was targeted. Ultimately, it was Atishi who became the chief minister, but there were personal attacks on the Kejriwal family as well. So these pictures, Arvind Kejriwal, Manish Sisodia reaching their Delhi residence and Sunita running and embracing first Arvind and then Manish Sisodia, their daughter also standing there. I think this is a moment. It's also Arvind Kejriwal is today a politician. The media cameras are there in waiting. Him breaking down before the camera, these family moments, they're all meant to give a message to the Aam Aadmi Party cadre, to the Delhiites, to the voters of Punjab as well, that, you know, this is a man who stands vindicated. That's the politics that Arvind Kejriwal has been playing right from the start, and this is a underlining of that message. He told the cameras, he broke down before the cameras. He said, I've always said this was a politically motivated case, and for the family to come together, Manish Sisodia, Arvind Kejriwal, together in this moment as well. Manish Sisodia had spent much longer in jail compared to Arvind Kejriwal in this very case, and he became one of the first high functionaries of the Aam Aadmi Party to be taken into custody. And at that point also, Manish Sisodia, after coming out, had alleged that he was, forced by CBI to name Arvind Kejriwal. When he refused to do that, he was castigated. That's a charge that Sisodia has made in the past. So these pictures that we're seeing on our screen at the moment, of course, it's a big moment legally. It's a personal moment for the Sisodia and Kejriwal family, but you can't miss the political undertone of what we are seeing on our camera. The media soundbite, these visuals, they're meant to give a message to a party which was facing its biggest crisis after the liquor policy charge sheet and the subsequent drubbing that they received in the Delhi elections. Punjab is facing, election campaigning very soon. So I think these pictures, the soundbite, what the court has said, all of those will be used in Punjab as well, where the opposition was trying to gherao Aam Aadmi Party after the drubbing in Delhi.
And Arunima, it's going to be very interesting to see as to how BJP is going to react to it, because they had gone hammer and tongs against Arvind Kejriwal and Manish Sisodia during the Delhi elections about this entire Delhi liquor case. So what do you expect from the BJP side?
Well, both the BJP and the Congress, because Congress had not held back its fire as well, even though, at the leadership level, Congress was in two minds, but the Delhi Congress wanted to target Arvind Kejriwal over the liquor policy issue as well. So for both these parties, at least the Delhi unit of the Congress and the Bharatiya Janata Party leadership, it will be interesting to note how they react. Politically speaking, Arvind Kejriwal has made the first move, saying that, CBI and ED played in the hands of the Bharatiya Janata Party, something that the CBI rejects completely. CBI's officials, the team which was part of investigation, they are aghast at the kind of order that has come in from the Rouse Avenue Court. CBI has already confirmed to CNN News 18 that they're going into appeal, at the Delhi High Court. They're studying the order that has happened. Politically, watch this space, because the next 2 to 3 days, I think you will see a very aggressive Aam Aadmi Party trying to gherao. And because Aam Aadmi Party also has great equations with Mamta Banerjee, I will be watching Mamta Banerjee and her election speeches as well when it is BJP versus TMC in Bengal.
And Arunima, this is going to be a huge fodder for the opposition parties, especially in the poll-bound states. And also, interestingly, Rouse Avenue Court not only wraps CBI, but there will be the internal departmental inquiry against the officer. That's also going to be interesting, how CBI is going to navigate through that.
And let me just surmise for you what the Rouse Avenue Court has said. The court has said that the prosecution's case does not survive judicial scrutiny. The judge has gone on to say that CBI tried to construct a narrative of conspiracy, but the prosecution's entire case is mere conjecture. That's a huge thing that the court has said. It has obviously acquitted all 23 people. It has discharged, in fact. The right word is discharged. It has not even reached a stage where trial has happened, where both the prosecution and the defense has argued. Right at the stage of framing of charges itself, this kind of an order has come. All 23 accused have been discharged. The court has pulled up the CBI for relying on one approver, saying that if you allow this manner, where an approver, and often this allegation has been made that people have been forced to turn approver under pressure, under duress. So the court has observed that if you're going to rely, your entire case is going to be built around one approver, it will not be in the cause of justice. And it has, then gone on to say that a departmental inquiry against CBI officials must be carried out for naming a public servant as accused number 1. So this is also something that CBI is watching. It is studying. The legal order is being studied by the Central Bureau of Investigation. First reaction, the team was taken aback because they did not expect this kind of an order from Rouse Avenue Court, but they're already looking at an appeal in High Court, studying the order to see that which are the legal points which Rouse Avenue Court has missed, which CBI would then want to highlight at the Delhi High Court level.
And earlier, Arunima, we were speaking about what are the chances of higher courts overturning this Rouse Avenue Court's decision, because there have been instances in the past in which such things had happened.
We can't second guess what the Delhi High Court says, but again, I keep referring to 2G because that was the other big case where the High Court appeal is just not moving forward, and CBI is mindful of that as well. But the CBI in this particular case, the team is quite confident, the CBI's leadership is quite confident that they had a watertight case and there was no reason for the Rouse Avenue Court to call it something which does not stand judicial scrutiny. And 2G had an entire trial and then the acquittal order came. Here, the discharge has happened right at the onset itself. So it is a big setback for CBI. It's a situation where the ED is also watching very carefully. If the predicate offence doesn't stand on its leg, how will the money laundering charge stand? So ED will also be watching this space very, very closely. Politically speaking though, you've heard from Arvind Kejriwal. We are likely to hear from K. Kavita next. Somebody again who has been discharged in this particular case. All of them claiming vindication.